Hey guys, Shyam here. Welcome back, and it's been a while since we have met, and now I'm coming with the unboxing of S24 Ultra. The main reason for this S24 Ultra is I've been using S23 FE a lot lately, and I like the features and the ecosystem that they have built. So in that case, why not spend some extra bucks for the S24 Ultra? I got this on corporate offer, to be frank, guys. I was trying hard to get it from Dubai, where you can get it a lot less cheaper than India, but I got it from India itself with the free ADLD insurance, and I got a free charger along with this, which you need to purchase separately for 3,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees. But I got it for free in the corporate store. Yeah, let's get started with the unboxing and see what's inside. I have chosen the titanium violet variant, which is of 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. But you can go for 7 different colors which is available in the store, out of which 3 are the special edition colors. So I like the box, and let's have a look what's inside. So the unboxing feels smooth. Like all other Apple phones and Samsung phones, the unboxing is cool. And first we do have the phone itself, and let's keep it aside for now, and let's see what's inside the box. Obviously we know that there is no charger included. When we have a closer look, we have a Samsung box that's been included inside the box. It does have SIM ejector and all other pamphlets. Yeah, if you see, the SIM ejector is keychain friendly, and you have booklets and also a Type-C to Type-C cable. I do know that there is still nothing left inside the box. I was searching for the Easter eggs. Yes, so next the phone itself. Yeah, it's been the waiting moment for me for so long. So the phone feels premium, guys. The phone feels boxy, and obviously I know it up front, and the back is Corning Gorilla glass armor, and the front is also the same. So they have used a grade 2 titanium frame on the sides, and yeah, we know the material what it's made up of, but what the performance is, that matters. So for that case, we need to use it for a while, and then only I can say something about the phone itself. So the phone feels premium on the design part, and let's see what the glass holds. So let's remove the protective layer, and yeah, this is the phone itself. As Samsung says, there is a minimal reflection I can observe on the screen. I do have a direct light that's been placed near this phone, but I see zero reflections. Yeah, you can see some colors spilling over here and there, but to maximum extent I can't see any reflections overall. So I just turned it on, and I'll do all the login stuff to the Google account and all the other stuff in the background, so that you don't need to waste a lot of time looking into that. Yes, the phone feels buttery smooth, and it's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's the topmost performance that you ever get in the smartphone. So I'll just try to do some gaming videos if possible, and majorly my concern is that I'm going to use this for my productivity. So I'll be shooting a lot of videos, and I'll be using the cameras a lot in this phone. So I'll come up with all the updates that I get, and try to post it in the YouTube for your understanding. I like S Pen the most, as anticipated by every Samsung users. So I've been using Samsung S23 FE, where I don't have any S Pen support, but here I can use easily an S Pen that's been included along with S24 Ultra. I'm not sure like how long I'll be using it, but hey, it's all about Samsung, right? So for all the purposes, for taking snaps and taking a video, they say that the S Pen is so helpful. So let's see how this one is supporting my productivity, and let me give an update on that as well. So for now, this is all about my unboxing video, and let's see in the next video of what S24 Ultra holds for me. So with this, I'm signing off, and yeah guys, see you later. Let me explore a bit, and I'll come back with all the observations that I have got in the S24 Ultra. Bye again, and stay tuned and stay connected.